I guess here most of them get answer 52 for this problem in wrong order. Here 5 plus 2 power 3 is 8 times. Here 6 divided by 3 in bracket whole power 2. Here 5 plus 8 is 13 times 6 divided by 3 in bracket whole power 2. Here 13 times 6 divided by 3 is 2 power 2. Here 13 times this 2 power 2 is 4. Here 13 times 4 is 52 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 52 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, this bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here 5 plus 2 power 3 times, here 6 divided by 3 is 2 power this 2. The next priority is the exponent, so we have to do this exponent before this addition and multiplication. Here 5 plus 2 power 3 is 8 times, here 2 power 2 is 4. Here we have addition and multiplication. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition, so we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 5 plus here 8 times 4 is 32. Here 5 plus 32 is 37 is the correct answer.